Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Whoop. Just see him jump forward. Just be careful, my puppy.
Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh.
So these are Chickadee's puppies, and their very, very first meal. So turn it off now after about 30. It's
Wow.
like they're starving, huh? Oh. Here, walk forward just a little bit. You're almost there. You're just biting the edge of the... No, not the other puppy. You've got to go over there. There you are. There you go. Here, let's move you over here. They think, because their mother has hair, fur, that when they feel the fur, they're going to get the food.
Oh.
And it's not that way anymore. They got to go to the bowl. Not the edge of the bowl, go into the bowl. There you go.
I know he is.
Him. Look at these guys. They're trying to get the food off of each other. Let's try this again. Here we go.
He's like, you don't have to call me twice.
Yeah. We were starving. Look at our little bodies.
How many puppies did she have? 8?
Chickadee has 8. Yeah, so we have, what, only 7 out here?
Oh.
Isn't that cute?
Oh. That is great.